Have you ever wanted to create your own music, but didn't know where to start? Or didn't want to spend money on expensive tools like Suno? Today, I'll introduce you to Riffusion, a free AI-powered tool that makes music creation easier than ever. Let's check it out. Riffusion is packed with features to help you create and customize music. When you visit the website, you'll see 5 main tabs: Home, Library, Profile, Personalize, and Playlist. Let's walk through them step by step. The first tab is the Home tab. Here you can browse songs created by other users and listen to the tracks they have generated. You can also start generating your own music directly from this tab. But before we begin, make sure you're using the latest model. At the time of recording, that's Fuzz 0.8, though this may have been updated by the time you're watching. Always select the newest model for the best results. If you prefer clean, family-friendly lyrics, you can enable the Moderate Lyrics toggle. Turning this on ensures that Riffusion generates songs without explicit language. Now let's try creating our own song. To get started, click the Generate button at the top of the screen. Here you'll have 2 options: Prompt and Compose. The Prompt option is perfect for those who want a quick and easy way to generate music. Just type in your request and Riffusion will do the rest. Not sure what to create? Click the Random button and let the AI surprise you with a random prompt. For those who only want an instrumental track, simply turn on the instrumental toggle. This will generate music without any vocals. The Compose option gives you more control over the song creation process. You can write your own lyrics or let the ghostwriter generate lyrics based on your prompt. It also allows you to describe the sound or vibe you want for your song, helping Riffusion create something that matches your vision. For those who want even more precision, the Advanced mode lets you adjust different sections of the song. For example, giving the intro one vibe and the outro something completely different. Additionally, you can tweak parameters like lyric strength and weirdness to determine how creative or experimental your song will sound. You also have the option to upload your own audio file to create a cover, extend, or replace specific parts of a track. This functionality is ideal for advanced users looking to remix or refine existing music. Let's clear everything and generate a song from scratch. Once you've set your parameters, click Generate, and Riffusion will create your track.
People stare but look away when I try to wait. Keep my distance, that's what I've learned to do each day. Got these walls built up, yeah, they keep me safe. But sometimes I wonder what it's like to not be afraid. Sometimes I feel like I was born different somehow, me. But all I want is just to be practice. I just from my window as the world goes passing by. Wonder if there's anyone out there who'll even try. Then you came along, we strangers.
Pretty cool, right? Remember, the more specific and detailed your prompt, the better the results. The next tab is Library, where all your generated songs are stored. If you like a track, you can add it to favorites for easy access later. You can also remix your songs here, whether it's creating a cover, extending, replacing, or modifying the song using the same prompt. This makes it easy to copy and reuse prompts for further adjustments. You can also adjust the visibility of your songs. By default, anyone with the link can listen, but you can set your songs to private or publish them for others to discover. Additionally, you can download your songs or their stems, which allows you to separate the instruments.
People stare but look away when I try to.
This feature is especially useful for professionals who want to fine-tune individual elements. The Profile tab is where you can view all the songs you've published. You can also edit your profile by changing your avatar, banner, description, or username to better represent yourself. Next is the Personalize tab, where Riffusion learns your music preferences and generates tracks tailored to your taste. To unlock this feature, you need to reach the debut level by earning points and completing simple tasks. There are 5 levels in total: Debut, Gold, Platinum, Diamond, and Mythic. Each level unlocks unique features, giving you even more customization options as you progress. The final tab is Playlists, where you can organize and edit your playlists. You can add songs to your playlists, reorder them, and even publish entire playlists for others to enjoy. This feature is especially useful if you want to create themed collections or share your favorite tracks with others. That's a full overview of Riffusion, a powerful music generation tool that's completely free for now. It's a great alternative to paid tools like Suno, offering plenty of features for both beginners and advanced users. What do you think about Riffusion? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in discovering more exciting and useful AI tools, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.